Hey friends, if you wish to fix ACPI BiOS error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to simply discharge the battery. So how would you do that? Switch off your computer and remove the battery, remove the charger and keep pressing the power button for 30 seconds till the capacitors are discharged. The next solution is to update BIOS. So here's what you have to do. Search for the model number, your brand, and then the model number of your system. Okay, no, or you can just search for its drivers and then go to the download center. It could be different for HP, Dell. I'm just showing you the process for Asus. It is similar for every other uh, system. And then go to drivers and tools. And then go to BIOS and firmware. Let it install. Okay, and then corresponding to BIOS update for Windows, click on download. You'll find an exe file here. Just click on this file here to install the latest BIOS. This should solve the problem for most of the users, but there's one more thing that you can try to prevent such issues for the future. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Advanced Options. Select Optional Updates and install the optional updates. Then return to the Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.